Wow, you look beautiful tonight. Well, of course, it's also thanks to the wonderful clothes you are wearing. Look at them, they are stunning. But unfortunately, at the end of their life cycle, chances are less than 1% to be recycled into new clothing. And so, where will the other 99% end up? Probably here. Absurd. Although there are currently several ways to recover textile waste, they still end up in landfills. Why? Because there is not an efficient match between the entities that manage post-consumer clothes and companies that recycle them. And this happens because the textile waste is varied, and it is difficult to detect all the different characteristics of each garment needed to recover it. For example, this perfect vintage pair of jeans can be resold. If the same has small defects, can be refashioned. If it is made of 100% cotton, it can be recycled. These circular uses are not only sustainable, but also profitable. Just consider that the overall market of circular fashion is estimated to be worth $5 trillion in the next years. The core of the regenerative process, which is also its bottleneck, is sorting. Nowadays, this process is manual, so it is inefficient and expensive. In Atelier Riforma, Sara and I have managed used clothes for 3 years, and we have understood that it is impossible to scale the process without technology. This is why we decided to put our expertise into a technology that can ease the sorting process and the channeling of used garments to circular destinations. We call it Circular. It is the first sorting tool based on artificial intelligence connected to a digital marketplace that helps to match the B2B supply and demand of post-consumer clothes. Thanks to artificial intelligence, just from the picture of the garment and of its label, it identifies and recalls the important data for its recovery. For example, the type of garment, its composition, its color, etc. We provide this innovative cataloging and digitizing tool to all entities that collect post-consumer clothes. Since it is connected to a B2B digital marketplace, the users can automatically sell their clothes to companies that search used clothing for their circular activity. Main buyers are second-hand shops, textile recycling companies, and refashioning brands. Circular is useful for them too. Now they have difficulties in procuring the most suitable clothing for their activity because they buy offline without the opportunity to choose the items. Through our platform with smart search filters, they can buy online in a transparent way, having all the information to regenerate the garments. Our solution will bring a disruptive change in the textile waste supply chain. Why? Currently, sorting technologies have some limits. They can detect only the material and the color of garments, and above all, they do not record or transmit data to recyclers. It is not enough to have a separate collection of textile waste if we don't boost the circular use of them. And the Circular does exactly this. It sorts, digitizes, and works as a marketplace for circular destinations. Our technology is a service. This makes our circular model applicable on a very large scale, bringing a huge positive impact. Support us and see the beautiful clothes you are wearing tonight lasting for generations to come. Thank you.